Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. In today's video, I am going to tell you everything that happened in today's SmackDown. We will get to see amazing matches and much more in this episode of SmackDown Live. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video.
Joe Tessitore started today's SmackDown, in which Joe Tessitore said, "I'm here standing in the ring to talk with the American Nightmare and the undisputed champion Cody Rhodes." Then the undisputed champion Cody Rhodes came towards the ring. Cody Rhodes said, "The Heartbreak Kid Shawn Michaels is perfect to moderate this contract signing. If he will be there tomorrow, I am very excited. I won 2 consecutive Royal Rumble matches and I certainly know about ladder matches." Then he said, "It's a simple way to main eventing WrestleMania, only you have the championship in your shoulders." Then Joe Tessitore asked to Cody Rhodes, "What you think about Kevin Owens?" Cody Rhodes said, "If he has two choices, first he has the easy way and the second is the hard way. This is guaranteed that Kevin Owens chooses the easiest way. So the ladder match is best because there is no referee who can stop us, there is no pin, there is no counter, only way to win is by climbing up the ladder and grab the championship." Then Joe Tessitore asked to Cody Rhodes, "After 8 days, you will going to defend your undisputed championship and tomorrow you will be face to face with Kevin Owens. What is your last message to Kevin Owens?" Then Cody Rhodes said, "I have no problem to punch you in the face right back in front seat of your car, but I only want to send you good luck." And then Cody Rhodes hugged with Joe Tessitore and then left. And this segment ends here. After this, Pretty Deadly met with DIY in backstage, in which Pretty Deadly asked to DIY that tonight our match with Motor City Machine Guns, what's the plan? Then Johnny Gargano said, "Tonight my match is with Apollo Crews, so we are not be able to help you." Then Tommaso Ciampa said, "Handle your business, we believe in you, you both can do this." After that, Motor City Machine Guns vs Pretty Deadly tag team match begins. First, Motor City Machine Guns came towards the ring, then Pretty Deadly came there. Their match is very amazing and both teams beat each other well. Pretty Deadly hit Alex Shelley with some special move, but Alex Shelley kicked out. Then Alex Shelley hit Pretty Deadly with 2-on-1 move, but Pretty Deadly kicked out. Then Motor City Machine Guns do some teamwork and hit a suicide dive on Pretty Deadly. But in the end, Motor City Machine Guns hit Pretty Deadly with their finisher and pin. Finally, Motor City Machine Guns won the match and this segment ends here. After their match, The Miz met with the general manager of SmackDown, Nick Aldis, backstage. The Miz said to Nick Aldis, "Joe Tessitore took the great interview of the American Nightmare Cody Rhodes, but there is no Miz TV. That's why I'm here. If you want little ratings from me, think about it." Then Nick Aldis said, "You are transferred to SmackDown. Welcome." The Miz is not happy for this. He said, "The White Six are also here. I don't want to be in SmackDown." And this segment ends here. After that, suddenly Kevin Owens came there in front of the announce table before Joe Tessitore and Wade Barrett. Kevin Owens said, "You took the interview of the undisputed champion Cody Rhodes. Where is my interview? Explain me. What kind of journalist are you?" Then Kevin Owens turns his attention to the famous actor Matthew McConaughey, who was sitting in the crowd. Suddenly, Jimmy Uso came there and Kevin Owens asked to Jimmy, "Why are you here? What you want?" Then Jimmy Uso said, "I'm here because you talked too much." Then Jimmy Uso start fighting with Kevin Owens. Jimmy Uso hits a massive super kick to Kevin Owens. Then Jimmy Uso go on top rope to hit a Uso splash on Kevin Owens, but Kevin Owens crawled out of the ring. Jimmy Uso said, "Kevin Owens vs Jimmy Uso tonight. What do you think about this?" And this segment ends here. After that, Chelsea Green and Piper Niven vs B-Fab and Michin tag team match begins. First, Chelsea Green and Piper Niven entered in the ring. Then B-Fab and Michin came towards the ring. Both teams beat each other well and we get to see a great wrestling match. But in the end, Michin hits Chelsea Green with her finisher and finally B-Fab and Michin won the match. After their match, Carmelo Hayes met with the general manager of SmackDown Nick Aldis backstage. Carmelo Hayes said, "I want Jimmy Uso, give me the match." Then Nick Aldis said, "You will face Jimmy Uso next week, but tonight you will face the newest member of SmackDown, who is the former world champion Damian Priest." And this segment ends here. After that, the WWE Women's Champion Tiffany Stratton came towards the ring. Tiffany Stratton said, "There will be 30 women who will fight to have a match with me at WrestleMania. But I don't care because last week I defeated the former Women's Royal Rumble match winner Bayley, so I'm not worried about that." Suddenly, the Women's World Champion Rhea Ripley came there. She said, "I am a champion too." Rhea Ripley said, "I am happy what you did with Nia Jax and tomorrow I will also destroy Nia Jax." Then suddenly Nia Jax came there with Candice LeRae. She said, "I'm here to tell you both that I will officially entering in the Royal Rumble match and I'm going to win the Women's Royal Rumble match." Suddenly, Bianca Belair and Naomi arrived, in which Naomi said, "I'm also entering in the Women's Royal Rumble match." Then Bianca Belair said, "I will be entering in the Royal Rumble match. If I don't win the Royal Rumble match, then Naomi win, but if Naomi did not win, then I am going to win the Royal Rumble match." Then suddenly, the former Women's World Champion Liv Morgan with Raquel Rodriguez also came there and said, "I am declaring my entrance on Royal Rumble match and I am also declared my win at Royal Rumble match." Then suddenly Rhea Ripley attacked on Liv Morgan and all females start fighting with each other in the ring. Suddenly Nick Aldis came there. He announced Bianca Belair and Naomi and Rhea Ripley versus Nia Jax, Candice LeRae and Liv Morgan 6-woman tag team match starts right now. Their match is very amazing and we get to see an awesome wrestling tag team match. But in the end, Raquel Rodriguez wants to interfere but Rhea Ripley kicked her and Bianca Belair hits Candice LeRae with her finisher. Suddenly Liv Morgan forced pin to Bianca Belair and finally Liv Morgan, Nia Jax and Candice LeRae won the match. After their match, Michin and B-Fab met with Chelsea Green and Piper Niven backstage. Michin told Chelsea Green that next week you versus me for the US Championship one last time. And this segment ends here. After that, Johnny Gargano versus Apollo Crews match begins. First, DIY entered in the ring, then Apollo Crews came there. Tommaso Ciampa cheated in this match a lot, but in the end Motor City Machine Guns also came there. Because of this, Johnny Gargano distracted and Apollo Crews forced pin to Johnny Gargano and finally Apollo Crews won the match. After that, LA Knight versus Tama Tonga match begins. First, Tama Tonga entered in the ring with Jacob Fatu, then the megastar LA Knight came there. Before the match, LA Knights makes a little fun of Jacob Fatu and finally the match begins. Both superstars looked in very form, but in the end, when LA Knight tried to hit Tama Tonga with BFT, then Jacob Fatu wants to interfere. But LA Knight kicked on Jacob Fatu's face and then hit a massive BFT to Tama Tonga. Finally, LA Knight won the match. After the match, Jacob Fatu pulled the leg of LA Knight and slams him through the table. Suddenly, the monster of all monsters, Braun Strowman, arrived there. Jacob Fatu and Braun Strowman once again face to face in the ring, but this time Braun Strowman eliminated Jacob Fatu from the ring, and this segment ends here. After that, The Miz met with A-Town Down Under backstage. Then Nick Aldis also arrived. He said, "A-Town Down Under, you both transferred to Monday Night Raw. Congratulations." After that, Damian Priest versus Carmelo Hayes match begins. First, Damian Priest entered in the ring, then Carmelo Hayes arrived. Their match is very amazing and we get to see an amazing wrestling match. But in the end, Damien Priest hits a powerful clothesline to Carmelo Hayes, then hits a massive South of Heaven chokeslam. Finally, Damien Priest won his first SmackDown match. After the match, Damien Priest met with the undisputed champion, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes backstage. Cody Rhodes welcomed Damien Priest in SmackDown. Then Damien Priest said, "See you soon, champ." After that, Jimmy Uso met with Carmelo Hayes backstage. He said, "I will see you next week." Then Jimmy Uso came towards the ring. Suddenly, Carmelo Hayes attacked on Jimmy Uso from behind and a lot of security guards arrived and they successfully separate these two. And this segment ends here.
After that, Kevin Owens came towards the ring. Finally, our main event match begins, which is between Jimmy Uso versus Kevin Owens. Both superstars beat each other well, and we get to see a great wrestling match. Jimmy Uso hits Kevin Owens with a massive spear, then go to top rope for splash, but Kevin Owens moved out of the way. Then Kevin Owens hits Jimmy Uso with an awesome pop-up powerbomb and pins. Finally, Kevin Owens won the match. After the match, Kevin Owens cleaned the announce table and picks Jimmy Uso and puts him on the table. Then he tried to hit Jimmy Uso with banned move pile driver. Suddenly, the American Nightmare and the undisputed champion Cody Rhodes came there in the defense of Jimmy Uso. Then Kevin Owens and Cody Rhodes start fighting in the ring. Cody Rhodes beat Kevin Owens a lot and continued fighting with him. And this segment ends here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. We will meet you tomorrow at Saturday night's main event. Until then, take care.